Okay guys, so just carrying on from our last video. These are the parts now. As you can see, they're not perfect. Couldn't get the blaster all the way in, but they're far better than they were. Sure, you can see if you look at it that it is actually a profiled surface. It is actually a blasted surface. So that's what we've currently got just now. That's where we're at with these. So what I'm going to do is clean these down, get them sprayed, and take it from there, see how they look. Okay. So folks, what I've done is I've bristle blasted my collars for my strut brace. I've hung them up here, a couple of bits of welding rods, bent the rods, hung these up. As you can see, I can turn them round for painting. I can, do what kind of I need to do for painting. I can pull them in, pull them out. So yeah, it's a good place to paint them. So we're going to get these sprayed up, and I'll switch you back on in a minute. Okay folks, so that's one coat, as you can see, and they look pretty good. Pretty impressed actually with the way that they've turned out. As I say, it's just a primer coat, but we'll get these finished soon enough, and yeah, they should look okay. Okay, that's the second coat on, as you can see. It's a pretty solid coat. Looks pretty good. There is the odd little imperfection, the odd little bit I'm not happy with, but in general, I mean, it's only for the car, and yeah, I want it good, but I'm very happy with what I've managed to achieve so far. I think I'll just put another coat on it just to be safe, and we'll put top coat on it later on. I'm very happy with the finish that I've achieved on these so far, considering I'm working outside in the wind. It's really not a bad job. So stick with me, and we'll see just how good we can get these to come up. If you remember my first video, I showed you them. They were all rusty, paint was hanging off them, flaking everywhere, paint missing in places. So let's just see how we can get these looking, and the sort of finish that we can achieve. It's just rattle cans I'm using. It's just spray cans, just like this, that I'm using. And this stuff's pretty good. It's plastic coat. Plastic coat's fine. Okay folks, it's time to start spraying on the finishing coat. So I've got a finishing coat of blue onto these. They were originally blue, if you remember. So we'll get a finishing coat onto them and see how it goes. So tune in and stick with me, and we'll get it started. Okay, as you can see, it's the first coat of blue over them. Now, obviously, first coat, it's not that thick, so that's fine. You just need to make sure that you get everything, get all around these edges, all in here. Just make sure you've got it all. As I say, it's only for the car. The finish doesn't have to be perfect. The bolt holes here, you're not too fussy about them, because there's bolts going in there. There's a good chance they'll get battered. But you just want to try and get as good a finish as you can with these. Right, the stuff I'm using for this is called High Coat. It's fast drying. It seems like quite a good product. Covers well. It looks okay. There are a few bits I'm not happy with, the likes of here, as you can see. That was bits the bristle blaster missed. I maybe should have got that with a wire brush or something. Bit of sandpaper maybe, but apart from that, it's okay. There are some imperfections on the metal, as you can see. You can see some little imperfections in the metal here as well. But overall, the finish that we've achieved, that's two coats, is pretty good. So we'll wait and see. So folks, I'm calling these finished for just now. basically what I have to do is I have to put a clear coat over these, and that clear coat, it's just basically, it's going to make it shine a little bit, and it's going to protect it, make it a little bit tougher than it currently is. You know, you should always have your clear coat over it just to make sure. I mean, as you can see, I'll try and keep these as still as I can. As you can see, they look pretty good. You know, it looks like we've pretty much got everything. So yeah, that's the two of them, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let them properly dry. I mean, they are dry, you can't touch them, but I'm just going to let them dry, and then hopefully tomorrow, if I've got time, we'll get the clear coat on them. So yeah, there's the other one. As you can see, they're both pretty good. You know, it's as I say, you're never going to get them perfect, because I mean, that's me touching it. So as you can see, it's dry enough. That is a really good product. That primer and the high coat finish, they are good products. You know, but I seem to have got everything there. So yeah, very happy. I'll be able to show you them on the strut brace very shortly, and hopefully I'll have another video very soon for the clear coat, and then that will be those complete, and then it's just the strut brace to go. So bear with me, give me a like if you like it, and speak soon.